How to use audio magic eraser on your Google Pixel 8a to remove the background noise. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the Google photo and select the any video. Here you can see the background noise of video. To remove the background noise using the audio magic eraser, tap on the edit icon from the bottom. Now swipe and select the audio. Here you can see audio eraser option. Tap on it. Now identify the sounds of your video. Now wait until identify sound. Now here you can see noise option and music option. Tap on a noise and start the video. To reduce the noise, make it minus. Swipe the left side. Now play the video. Now you can see how it reduces the noise on your device. Now tap on a music. Again swipe the left side. Now tap on a done. Now tap on a save copy. Now save the copy to your Google photo. Now let's see how it reduces the background noise on your Google Pixel 8a device. Now saving the video. Now open the video. Here you can see the original video. This is the original video. Now let's see how it reduces the noise. Now you can see this is the use the audio magic eraser feature that will totally reduce the background noise on your Pixel 8a device. So this is the very helpful feature to reduce the background noise of your video. That's it. If you like it, share it.